Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Instagram story frame stickers option not showing on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your story frame sticker option not showing on your Instagram app, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to long press on your Instagram app. Then click on this I button. After that, once tap on force stop, tap on OK. Then go to storage and cache. Here once you have to tap on clear cache. Then go back. Open the Play Store. Then search for Instagram. If your Instagram is not up to date, then update it from here. After completion of this update, once you have to restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram story frame sticker option not showing on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.